is up on Two Family? I just want to give a quick announcement before this video started. I wanted to say thank you guys, excuse me, thank you so much for the support and the encouragement that you guys have been giving me on the channel. And also thank you so much for the advice that you guys have been giving me on here too. I've been taking all the advice and principles that you guys have given me on riding and implementing it into my rides, and I can definitely see that it's definitely made a change and it's improved my riding skill and capabilities, and also making sure that I am, you know, riding in a safe way, which I don't put my life in jeopardy. So I wanted to say thank you so much for that. And I also wanted to say that in this video, I didn't talk as much because I was this ride was a lot more twisty than the first group ride that I did, so I didn't talk as much throughout the video. But I also want to say that I will be getting a new SD card and also a new battery, so I can improve the quality and content that I'm giving you guys, because throughout the ride I kept turning off the camera just to make sure that the battery lasted for the whole span of the ride. But the thing is, it was like a 400-mile run, so it lasted to about halfway, and then from there it kind of just died. So based on how I edit, I might just cut it out, or I might just get some commentary towards the end. I mean, you guys will know once this video drops. But I just want to say thank you so much for the support, and also wanted to give that quick announcement. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Are on the way to our second group ride. I'm running a little bit behind. We're supposed to be at 11:30. Right now it's 11:34, but I'll arrive there in like what, 4 minutes. But I'm excited, man. I'm excited. All right, we're here.
What's your name? Man, Johnny Moto.
Johnny Moto?
Yep. Lucas, good to meet you. Lemar, man. How you doing?
Lemar, nice to meet you.
Nico. John, nice to meet you, brother. Lemar. Nico, nice to meet you.
Let's go, let's go.
You here for a ride?
Yes, sir. Cool. Yeah, I saw it on Facebook.
Yep.
Yeah, so excited.
You ride before?
Yeah, I guess no.
Yeah.
I'm new to the whole thing, so. Oh, really?
Last week.
Damn, man. Which bike do you got? I got this like what, a month and a half ago.
Did you?
Yeah, I did my first group ride about 2 weeks ago.
How was that?
It went well, but I'm not gonna lie, I went down like on a turn.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did too much front brake, hit gravel, went straight down. Yeah, man.
It happens, right?
Yeah, for sure. It's part of the
You got all
game.
your gear on?
I literally dressed like this when it happened. I was doing like what, 25?
Okay, just hit the gravel.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's just those turns that really get you. Because,
So was it on like the main road?
Yeah, it was like, yeah, because we went out to Arlington and apparently it was snowing, and when they plowed it, there was like a bit of gravel on the side. So when I went to go like make the turn, instead of like focusing on where I was supposed to go, I started like target fixating. So I looked at the curb instead and hit the front brakes
Instead of like looking ahead.
right where I was gonna go. Yeah. This is what the lineup is looking like right now.
Hey, how you feeling on it, man? Hey, let me get a picture of these little novices, man. They about to be off.
They about to be off, huh?
Yeah, let me get my phone. Yeah, we got new video.
That's like when I showed up with this same bike, what, 5 years ago, and I had the muffler, the factory on it.
Oh, that's the black one that you had?
This is the black one I had,
Oh,
except
that's
it's
a
the
bad
reverse.
bike, bro.
Bad bike.
That's a bad bike, brother. If that's the one he talking about, that's that.
It's gonna be another movie, y'all. Another movie. Another one, baby. Another one, baby. Let's go. Let's roll. So the guy ahead of me right now, he's actually the group leader. So he asked me like, "You ready to go fast?" I was like, "I don't know, man. I'm riding at my own pace right now. I'm gonna ride at my own pace." So we just stopped to take a quick break, and it turns out we're not even halfway there yet, man. So if the camera dies, you guys already know what it is. But I guess I'll just keep recording the whole way until it, you know, it gets to that point. I need to start investing some new batteries, get a bag. But hey, we're just doing it on our fly right now, man. We're doing it on our fly. So man, you can see it's just nothing but super bikes. You don't see any three-wheelers or anything like that. Just straight super bikes. Alright, let's roll, baby. Like I said, guys, if the camera dies and the video cuts out, it's because the camera died. Man, this is a mountain. and you can tell these turns are very twisty. So like I said earlier, I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking because I'm trying to focus and I'm not trying to mess myself up. But yeah, man, let's get this thing rolling, baby. Let's do it. That was a good pull right there. That was a good pull. God. Man, look at that view. Man, this is a beautiful ride, man. I have to do this one again. Man, look at that. So beautiful, man. So beautiful. And if anybody has any tips on how to keep a GoPro battery extended, or if there's any batteries that last longer, man, because man, this battery on the GoPro, I just checked it. I barely got any footage so far, and it's already at what, 60% or something like that. Well, actually, it's not even the battery, it's the, what's it called, the SD card. So I have to go get another SD card, or see if there's something that I can get that has a lot of storage, because most of the ones that I see are like 64 or something like that. So definitely have to get some other ones that would be, you know, that may have some more space. Now you could tell some of them definitely been riding for a while, probably longer than I've been alive, to be honest. Man, look at that. Man, I just love scenery like this. Water, trees, you know, nice day. It's just a different feeling, man. Get some gas real quick. All right, that was break number 2. We're on and running. Apparently there should be a stretch coming up that's just like 10 miles that is just basically straight. No cars typically drive on it, just like a straight shot. So I bet a lot of people are going to start doing that. Like that guy right there. Man, that's dangerous, man. Y'all, so we are almost to the midway point. So there's gonna be this huge tower over there. I just checked the battery or the SD card, and it looks like it's almost full. So if the video cuts out, you guys already know what happened. But in the meantime, enjoy the video, man. And I also wanted to say thank you guys so much for the support. I really do appreciate it, and stuff like that keeps me motivated to keep dropping you guys content, so I really do appreciate that.